What's up, everyone? Happy Sunday. Icy Gains here. I want to give you guys the bonus episode that I promised last episode, and this episode is basically gonna be a culmination of the last 6 episodes, where I'm going to show an example using a lot of the tools that I taught in the series, which is the best stock market for beginners series on my YouTube channel, IC Trades. You already know. So let's get straight to it. I'm gonna just go over one stock here, and this is, I think, a really helpful review. So let's get to it. All right. So the stock that I wanted to review here is Carvana. I picked this one because I quickly noticed how you could use the EMAs to your advantage, the levels, supports and resistances to your advantage, the SMA to your advantage, um, the volume bars. You can use a lot here. So, and basically, this is a big move that happened with Carvana, but we're gonna review the move, learn it, master it, and then catch the next one, right? So let's see here how I noticed this breakout happened pretty quick. So I'm going to delete all the drawings so that we could start fresh. Boom. All right. So first thing I always do is levels first, and obviously the EMAs are always going to be on. My SMA is on, but the first thing that I always do is my levels. So I'm gonna do one here. I already noticed that. Boom. One there. Look at these. Look at this strong support. One bounce, two, three, four touches. A lot. More here, more here. Next, let's find the resistance level here. It could be this one. It could be this one. I think let's do this one. This one here, right there. 347.90. Actually, let me move it up a little bit. Right there. Nice. All right, that's another one. And then this was the before this breakout. This was used to be the top here, so it was a resistance level. And let's do maybe one more right here. You can see a lot of touches right there. All right, so we have our strong levels here. Next, uh, with the EMAs now, right? So you could see here how Carvana, the EMAs crossed over at this point, and they gave it a bearish, sentiment on the stock. But then you see how Carvana went back to the strong support level, which was this one here at 308. So it is very likely that the Carvana bounces. But look at what happens. Carvana then goes lower and hits the 200 SMA. 200 SMA was reached here. This would have been the perfect bottom to buy, because now you have several factors of like the 200 SMA is a strong support level, a strong um, average price where the stock um, that the 200 SMA is showing. So you want to buy in with that thesis, with that idea that most likely the stock is going to bounce. And you could also say that support level was actually in this exact um, price. You see here 1, 2 touches, 3 touches, 4, 5, right? So there you have your strong, idea where, okay, I think this stock is going to bounce, and now you're adding every little confirmation. Okay, the EMAs, 200 SMA, the support level, um, the strong reversal from the support level here with this candle, right? So let's say you're waiting to buy it. You haven't bought it. You didn't. Let's say you didn't buy it here. Now you're gonna ask yourself, okay, when is the next confirmation for me to be more confident when I buy? Well, if you waited longer here, now you could see the EMAs crossing over, right? So first, the 9 and the 21 EMA will cross over. Boom, first bullish reversal confirmation. But wait, but let's say you want more added confidence before you buy. Okay, 9 and 20 and 21 EMA officially crosses over the 50 EMA. That's a strong reversal now, right? So you have several opportunities to make your decision to buy. So you could have bought here, you could buy here, or you could buy for sure after the full EMA crossover. So let's say you buy it at 350, right? Or 360. If you bought it at 360, now you could hold it and say, okay, I'm gonna hold this stock for as long as it remains above the 9 EMA. So if you bought it at 360, you would have been holding it on the daily time frame, holding it until we hit here. So now this would be like your first. This would be your first doubtful time period, because now you're like, oh, okay, the stock has reached the 9 EMA. It's coming back down. It's right above it. I'm going to secure some profit here. I'm going to secure some shares or some calls that you had when you bought at the lower level, and then from there you're out. That was it. That's actually the move. So now you're able to just have added confidence, and that's what these tools are that I taught in the first 6 episodes. Um, so I hope that example really helped. I know it was pretty quick, but that's how simple trading is, and that's how simple investing in the stock market. It depends how you want to trade or invest. You could either have gotten shares, you could have gotten calls. It's all up to you. I think that this is a part where the stock market is fun, and you could make money your way. So the stock market is an amazing skill to improve and just be better at. So there's no reason not to study it and be a better stock market investor, so that you make your money grow, you make your money work for you, not you work for the money. So that was it. That was the bonus episode. I'm going to make different stock review videos, and very soon the long-term investing series will be started. So something to look out for. All right. Please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. I really wanted to make this video on this Sunday night, so I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know what you thought, and let me know if you noticed Carvana rip these past couple of weeks. All right, guys, have a great Sunday. Icy Gains, out.